Shoot. Oh, did you really think I was gonna cut my hair? Good, because I really was going to. Okay. Cut them way too short. No, I want them to look nice and long and like in my hair and my face. And now they're like really like blunt. It's like low-key like really bad. Like my hair is not trying to lay down straight or flat. Okay, I'm going to part out like the framing pieces. Shoot, this is not gonna be even at all. Yeah, no, that's literally just gonna cut straight through it. It's not gonna like do what I did here. I'm going to braid it up. Where's that pen? Look at it. This is so bad.
Alright, I'm back, and here's how my hair came out. A layer of brown in there. So next, I'm probably, if I do get to silver, it's going to be like a dark silver at the top and go lighter as it gets to the bottoms. I do have some damage, so after I'm completely done, I am going to have to trim all my hair and recut it and fix it up. So next step is I'm going to go in with the color charm. Okay, so I ended up not leaving the Wessa or whatever it was in my hair the full amount of time because, as you saw in the other video, I ended up collapsing because of how much pain my head was in, and I couldn't get over the smell. It was horrible. I would re-show you the box, but I had to throw away the box immediately because the smell was so bad and it caused so much pain. I can't really, it hurt to shampoo my head. It's actually severely tender to the touch. I would just suggest no one to use that product. I couldn't even really finish putting the brown through my bangs to get rid of the blonde. So there's a little bit of blonde still in my bangs. The ends of my hair did come out closer to the color I wanted, but they're still not there. It's actually just now white again, which is not what I wanted. But it intensified the color at my roots and made it even more orange than it was before. So I would just really suggest not using the Wessa. I had it in a light ash because it said that it would go silver. I'm assuming it could have gone silver if it wasn't for the fact that it started severely burning my head to the point where I was in tears. So yeah, this is what happened. It's late and I'm going to go to bed now. Well, my head really hurts. And it's been 2 weeks and I still haven't toned my hair, and it's finally to a point where it doesn't hurt to brush it. So that's an improvement. And that dye, when I put it through my hair, it turned my roots like an orangey color. You know, it wasn't on that long, and the ends white. The brown I put through my bangs obviously like did nothing. This is not brown. That's still blonde. I don't like it. So we're going to be, might as well just put the toner over that as well. Here's the toner that I'll be using, and it's the Blonde Brilliance Toner and Platinum, and it should help get my hair to more of a silvery color. Alright, I'm out the shower. I actually have work pretty soon, so I can't actually stay and like wait for my hair to dry and show you guys when my hair is fully dry what it looks like. I will try later to take a photo of my hair and post it now. So that's what it looks like when dry. I haven't looked in the mirror yet. I am still towel drying my hair. So we're just really hoping that it looks either really, really light, like a white color, or it looks really, really silver. Silver is the main color I want. I still really hope I'm in frame. I don't know. It works on the ends, I can tell you that. Like the ends where my hair was at the lightest, where it was already pretty much white, that is most definitely silver. The upper part of my hair, you know, where the nasty burning dye turned it orange, it looks like it's still orange. And my bangs, where they were brown and ending in like a weird blonde because it didn't fade well, it looks like they may in fact now be kind of silvery at their edges. So yeah, this is what it looks like when wet, and then we're going to wait a little bit and see what it looks like when dry. Remember to be careful with what hair dyes you use so that you don't end up with severe scalp burns where you can't even shampoo your hair for a week. And then once that week is over and all that oil's on your hair, then you have to take actual conditioner and like deep condition it, because that's the first day your hair can handle even a conditioner on it, and then wash your hair. And then that's how I kind of healed my head, if you were wondering how I healed it in 2 weeks. A lot of conditioning and oil on my head.
Why is it still... Okay. Was this the one we tried? I think so. Can I do it? Come on. Come on. How did we do it before? I think we used a different knife. Was it this big guy? I don't know if this qualifies as a steak knife. Oh, look, we did. We did it. Next. And that's kind of cute, how it just stays there for me. Don't think my lighting is right. Maybe I should stand this way. For some reason, the lighting is better. Okay, let's put that little guy back. We know he's cut. This is going to be easy. If I had a sharp knife, I'd probably do it like this all the time. Let's see one of these now. That's not... Let's see. Let's try this guy. It's just terrible how dull my knives are. Should be able to cut hair with a knife. No, this is terrible. Maybe if I go this way. Ah! Wow, that's a weird cut. I like it. So lovely. No one can get a haircut like this, unless maybe in a mental institute. Alrighty, we're going for the biggie. I'm just using various knives. Did we try this one? I think we did. Just going by the fingers. Very close to the fingers. Not cutting. We'll go with the big kahuna. The big kahuna is the one that works the best. I'm just going to cut away. Then we will look at the bangs after. And we can cry tears together. Okay, let's try right here. That worked good. I know that they're going to start teaching this in beauty school. Everybody scolds me for cutting under the fingers with scissors. I do it so I can grab the hair and throw it away. I've done it that way all my life, by holding the hair and cutting with scissors under my fingers. And with a knife, it won't work over my fingers. Watch, watch. See? That doesn't work. What do we got? We have some still super long bangs, don't we? Go for some more here. I'm trying hard to remember to stay in the mirror. Okay, let's cut like right there. I think it might just make a nice little jagged edge like I like. I don't like straight cuts. That was good. Okay, that a little bit long here. right there. Oh, like it. My arm hurts from being up. Okay, here we go. I guess this is the knife that works the best. See, it's still very long there. Let's do a little bit right there. Somebody said I should treat myself to steak after I do this. Ooh. Alright, I think that center part will probably be good.
So basically I'm going to attempt to bleach my black hair a platinum blonde, hopefully. So then I can dye it half and half color. Developer, powder, gloves, bowl and brush. Purple hair dye, pastel purple. And this in case my hair gets fucked and I need to attempt to make it more healthy. I don't know. I've bleached my hair like 10 times, probably more. And I've dyed it colors way more times than that. My hair is still intact. I think it's like pretty healthy considering how much I've done to this. I'm going to take 3, probably more bleaches, and I'm using 20 volume, and I also have 30 volume here. I'm not a professional hairdresser, so finished this side and I washed it out and I'm starting on this side. This isn't too bad for the first bleach. My hair's a bit dry, not gonna lie, but it's to be expected. But I'll be back tomorrow to finish, or not even finish, but like carry on with my hair. This is where we're at. It feels pretty good. It's a little questionable. Well, might as well get started with mixing the bleach. Okay, this is taking a lot longer than expected, so I'm going to stop recording here. I don't know when I'll be back, but I'll be back at some point. So this is currently where I'm at with my hair. I do, however, have to bleach it one more time because of my roots, and I also need to do the pink. So this is where we're at after the second bleach. It's not too bad, not to forget that we're bleaching this from black hair, so this isn't going to happen quickly. I have decided that I'm going to bleach my hair, include my roots and all the way down after I've washed it out. If the roots are a similar colour to the ends, and if not, I'll just bleach the ends, hopefully just one more time. And then I can add the colour to it. I look like a mess. I may have recorded half an hour of footage. My phone may have died and it may have all deleted. I bleached my roots. There's gonna be some patchiness. I just know it. But for now, we'll just wait and see, and I'll wash this out and I'll be back once it's dry. I bleached the pink. There's still some in it. And today I'm going to do my final bleach. Thank God. Just up to by here to make everything more even. And the pink again. After that is when we can finally add the purple. So I finished bleaching my hair. It could get lighter, but I can't be bothered bleaching it anymore. I'm finally going to put the purple in it. I'm going to dilute it with conditioner because I want it to be more pastel. Okay, this is like 3 days after I dyed it purple. I was going to like reveal it when I had makeup on, but I suddenly had the idea to do more to my hair and fuck it up even more. This is where we're at. It's like super patchy. It's like you can't see it properly on camera, but oh, there we go. I was at the shops today, walked past the hairdressers, and I was like, fuck it, let's cut my hair. I've always wanted it short, so I was like, let's get it cut short. Yeah, it's not that bad. I honestly kind of like it, but it's such a big change that obviously I wasn't ready for. I look like edgy as fuck though, so I don't even know Oh my god, I look like a boy.
Okay, I'm kind of scared because I've watched videos of people doing this and then it just goes like 2 different ways and it's like not even and it looks really bad. So if that happens to me, I'm literally gonna cry. Holy freaking hell. Okay, ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I really just do that? Oh my god, what did I just do? Yeah, I definitely have to cut them a little shorter because I can't see shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. What the? That's like fucking Dora. Oh my god, what did I just do? Yeah, so it's crooked, so that's... I'm the stupidest person ever. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I do not know why I'm laughing right now because I look... What? I just did that. It looks horrible. Okay, please just say I'm dreaming. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did I actually just do that? Oh my god, I just did that. What? It's like too short. That's too short. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life.